Sophia, I see something on the ground that's kind of funny looking. Come here. Come here real quick. Come here. Get down on the ground. Don't step on it. Look at him. Look at this. What do you think that is?
It's a buggy.
It's a buggy, but look at him. He's cool.
Wow.
Look at that, Sophia.
I want to touch it.
Don't touch him. You can touch him. He's just a big beetle. Touch him.
Hey! I like him. I like the buggy.
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it looks like he has eyes. Those are just decorations. Make him camouflage. You like it? It's a beetle? He's a beetle? Pretty cool looking.
You.
It's pretty cool.
History.
Hey!
Don't touch him. He's crawling away. He's trying to get away. He's pretty cool though, isn't he? Ha ha! Bug-Eyed Joe approves. Good job, seriously, Sophia. Seriously, Sophia, that's a big beetle, isn't it?